The loan market is one of the largest markets on Earth, over $10 trillion in outstanding credit, and yet it still runs on documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, and human memory. That's not a moral failing. It is simply the consequences of a system that grew faster than its tools. At Creditnexus, we did not set out to disrupt lending. We set out to care for it, to give the loan market the operational backbone it has quietly needed for decades, because when capital moves well, societies grow. When it moves poorly, everyone pays. Today, access to structured financial products, to syndicated loans, sustainability-linked facilities, secondary markets, is effectively reserved for the largest firms with the largest legal and compliance teams. Smaller companies face longer review cycles, higher friction, less favorable terms, not because they're worse borrowers, but because verification is expensive and compliance does not scale down easily. Creditnexus changes that equation. We built a platform where legal text becomes executable logic, where compliance is enforced before risk materializes, and where sustainability claims are verified not by marketing decks, but by ground truth from space. Our system extracts credit agreements, enforces regulatory and risk policy in real time, verifies assets using satellite imagery and environmental data, and produces a complete audit trail automatically. This is not AI guessing, this is deterministic, provable decision making. And here is the economic consequence of that precision. Smaller firms become faster than bigger ones. When compliance cycles shrink from weeks to minutes, when sustainability verification is automated, when audit readiness is one click away, scale stops being a barrier. It becomes an advantage. And we believe this is how access to bond markets and structured finance expands responsibly. Not by lowering standards, but by making high standards affordable. From a business perspective, Creditnexus is built for the real world. We operate on a freemium enterprise-grade model, an open demonstration platform to drive adoption, paid deployments for lenders, banks, servicers, and trading desks, subscription revenue for compliance, verification, and reporting, deployment and integration fees for on-premise and regulated environments. This market is measured in hundreds of billions of dollars annually, from loan origination and trading to recovery, compliance and tooling, and green finance verification. Capturing even a small percentage of that flow is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. But the deeper value is not just financial, it's trust infrastructure. Trust that sustainability-linked loans mean something. Trust that smaller borrowers are judged on facts, not friction. Trust that capital allocation can be both profitable and responsible. We like to say, trust but verify. And now verification scales. Creditnexus is not a dashboard, it's not a model, it's an operating system for modern credit. One that rewards discipline, transparency, and speed. One that allows markets to grow without losing their moral footing. We believe this is the future of lending, and we're ready to build it. Thank you.